Hey guys, today is Monday, it's just a few minutes past 10. It's the start of a brand new week, but I actually don't have class this week because my school decided to give us a short break to allow us to give us some academic ease from the school year so far. But I still have some requirements due this coming weekend, so I'll be taking the time to slowly do them over the next few days. So for the things I have to do this week, I have to make 2 videos for my orthopedics class, which includes making a splinting video and showing the range of motion test for the hips. And on top of that, I have to do a case study, and I'll also have to accomplish a first aid workshop for my previous module, acute care. It was originally meant to be an in-person workshop, but obviously due to the pandemic, they decided to just move it to online. So today, my goal is to accomplish 3 things. Finish my script for my ortho videos, 2, start writing my case write-up. So I think this morning I will start on the case write-up. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so quick tip when you're writing these case studies. So it says here that I have to characterize the musculoskeletal complaint using the algorithm, and then this is 20 points. So you always have to look at the rubric to make sure what to really pay attention in terms of the detail to. Because like if I hadn't known that this is worth 20 points out of the 100 points of this paper, I would have just probably done it off the top of my head. So that's why I'm making sure to refer to the book, because this is what my profs will obviously grade me on based off. So this is the algorithm for musculoskeletal complaints in Harrison, and I'll be answering this question based on this algorithm. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. Okay, so I just finished doing the paper, and I think it's okay for now, but I won't submit it yet, and I'll probably go over it after a couple of days or so I have some fresh eyes and to see if I need to make any adjustments before I go submit it on Saturday. So now that that's done, I think I'll move on to doing my FCH post test. I have to first watch the lecture for it, and then I have a quiz on it right after, so I think I'll do that and then review my ortho script for the video that I'll make tomorrow. So let's get through that. Okay, so I just finished my quiz, so now I'm gonna do my afternoon workout, so time to change into some appropriate clothing. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways till my shadow. So hey guys, so it's currently around 1:45, and as you can see, I'm in my med school uniform because today I'll be filming a video for my ortho project. So I have to film a splinting video and the range of motion for the hip. So that's what I'll be doing this afternoon. So let's go. So currently it's around 1:13 in the afternoon, and I'm gonna spend the afternoon doing the first aid workshop that our profs assigned to me and I have to accomplish by this Sunday. But I want to finish it early so I can just chill and relax this coming weekend. So let's get through that. To celebrate the end of the week, I decided to go get a haircut at my local Landers. Just a great relief because the past few days of this summer heat have been really bad and it feels good to shorten my hair so that it feels somewhat cooler again. And to cap off the week, I catch up with some of my college friends over Zoom. Shout out to PsychSoc for organizing this online event. So what was your favorite part of the video? Leave it in the comment section down below and make sure to check out my other vlogs if you like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.